Hey, if you thought that was cool, stay with me. I got more video of this 1955 Power Wagon. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna hop in and we're gonna keep on the road. So sit back, pop a top, and stay with us, because here we go. All right, you said it's 1955. This is my friend Gary. You're a caretaker of these kind of vehicles. So, I'm gonna leave this. This is gonna be handsy. I'm gonna leave this hand up. We're gonna feel the bounces. You're gonna feel the bounces we're feeling in the cab. What's in the underneath the hood?
It's a flathead Dodge 6-cylinder.
Flathead Dodge 6-cylinder. We have locking rear, locking front, right?
Yes, sir.
And we have the levers for that. We have 4-wheel drive. We just have a beast of a truck. This is basically stock factory. The bed's not factory, but everything else is pretty much factory.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So it's very cool. This is what Power Wagons used to be like back in the day. Like I said, I'm gonna let this camera go a little bit. Sorry for the shakiness, but that's what you're feeling inside the cabin. That's what we got going on here. We got a 2-speed transfer case.
Yes, sir.
And then is this low or high and low?
This is high and low. This is 4-wheel drive.
Okay. And is that a parking brake?
Yes, sir. No, this is the winch.
Oh, that's the winch.
This is emergency brake.
Okay.
And we don't have power steering either.
Yeah, I was gonna say no power steering. You said Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as I had fun filming that. For more Pickup Truck Plus HV news, find us on pickuptrucktalk.com. Pickup Truck Talk is on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all three the same. Hit subscribe below for more videos like this. Hit notifications to be notified of new videos like this one as well. Hit like button if you loved it, because I know you did. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Hey, wait up.